Hi, this is Dave Philippi with FabCAD. Whenever you're about to send out a custom part to either your own plasma cutter or you're sending it to a laser cutter company or something like that, there's a few things you need to make sure that happens to make sure that everything works properly and that the laser cutter people don't come back and say this drawing can't work. One of the primary things you need to make sure happens is that all of the joints are connected. They don't like gaps in between these machines. So the easiest way to figure out whether or not your design is totally enclosed is to use a command called join. So I click join and I select the objects, right click, and then, well, it shows me that's all one piece, and this is all one piece. So there must be a gap. There's a gap there. So another way that you could check it is just to highlight everything and check out the grips. So when you zoom in, you'll see double grips there. Now grips also work as snaps, so I can just bring it over and connect it like that. And then go over to this one here, and there's two loose ends on this end. Grab that and connect it there. Okay, now we'll do the join command again. And now it's all one piece. Okay, the next thing is that a lot of times if you're using a regular drawing file, there may be a lot of things in the background, or there may be some unreferenced blocks, or there's something in the drawing that when the laser guy gets it, he's saying, man, there's too much junk on this thing. So we've created a template file specifically to export this item out. So I'm going to go to File and New, and here we have a DXF export DWT. So I open that. Okay, that's this one right here. So all I need to do then is just copy this over to that drawing. So I'm just going to go Edit, Copy, and go to this drawing here and Edit, Paste. You notice this one doesn't have any logos or anything like that. As a matter of fact, if you look at the drawings themselves, you see the regular FabCAD template is 202 kilobytes and this export is only 31. So there's just not a lot of stuff in this drawing to create a problem when the laser guy is getting ready to cut it or you're setting it down to your plasma torch. And then once you've got this in place, you want to go ahead and just save this file. I'm going to go File and Save As. I'm going to save it as a DXF. So I'll go down to the pull down at the bottom where files of type. Now you notice there's different, there's a 2018 DXF, 2013. I recommend using an older version of this. The various machines that are available out there don't always keep up with the latest formats. So I'm using a 2013 version of the file, and I'm just going to save that as a DXF file. So I'm just going to call it lesson and save it. And then I just send that DXF file either down to your plasma cutter or off to your manufacturer, your laser people, or whatever water jet company or whatever you're using to create your part. Simple as that. Bye.